going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is David. Hey, before we get started, do me a favor, hit that like button, share, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. But hey, as always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, but we're going to jump right into it. I'm going to give my full disclaimer off top. I am an investor in NVIDIA. So I do own NVIDIA shares, right? Currently, I'm up 123.81% on my NVIDIA position. I have a cost basis of $89.17. So just wanted to give you guys a full disclaimer. I am an owner of NVIDIA. So let's jump right into it. NVIDIA is one of the most talked about stocks in the world right now, right? It's been dominating headlines, leading the AI boom, and making investors a lot of money. But hey, here's the real question. Is it still a smart investment, or is the hype getting out of control? So in this video, we're breaking down NVIDIA's performance, the pros, the risk, and what you need to know before investing if you're not already an investor. So for those who don't know, NVIDIA is a semiconductor company that designs powerful chips used in artificial intelligence, gaming, and data centers. So, three big things going on right now: artificial intelligence, gaming, data centers. So right now, NVIDIA is at the center of the AI revolution, which is a major reason why the stock has exploded, during recent times. So NVIDIA has seen incredible growth over the past few years, right? The demand for AI chips has pushed revenue and stock prices higher. And companies around the world are racing to build AI systems, which keeps the demand strong. But here's the thing: stocks don't go up forever. And when when a stock runs this much, investors start asking a few questions, right? Like, is it overvalued? And that's where you have to make a decision, right? Is it still worth buying at this particular time? So let's talk about why investors love NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the leading AI chip market, and AI is one of the biggest tech trends in the world right now. So AI dominance, right? Also strong revenue growth. Demand for chips continues to grow rapidly. Also industry leadership. NVIDIA just, it isn't just participating in the game, it's leading the game right now. So, and also, why investors love NVIDIA is the long-term potential. I just talked about my returns, 123%, right? AI, automation, and data centers aren't going anywhere anytime soon. So this could be a long-term growth story in regards to investing in NVIDIA. But just like all the pros, right, we're going to talk a little bit about some cons, right? So, let's talk a little bit about some risk, right? One is valuation. NVIDIA has been running over the last couple of years. So after a massive run, the stock may be priced very high, right? That increases the downside risk. So when you get overbought, there's always that chance of the price is coming down. Also, volatility, right? High growth stocks can move fast in both directions. So it can go up fast, it definitely can go down fast. I've seen it firsthand. Also, competition. Other companies are trying to compete in the AI chips. I'm gonna tell you right now, AMD is rolling right now. AMD is rolling. That's one of my biggest regrets is selling my AMD. But AMD is a major competitor. So also market expectations. Right now, expectations are very high. If NVIDIA misses even slightly, the stock could react quickly. What happened over the last few days? NVIDIA's pulled back. They had their earnings. It may be some things in the earnings that investors may not like, and you'll see a pullback in the price. So, it may be a buying opportunity, or it may cause for some more long-term, concern. But we'll see. We'll see. And last but not least, well, actually, not. We got a few more thoughts here. So, who should invest, right? Who is NVIDIA really for? right? The stock may make sense for growth investors, people who believe in AI long term, and investors comfortable with volatility. I had a video on SMH, and it kind of follows the same strategy because NVIDIA is a major player in SMH, the ETF, but I want to do a little breakout on NVIDIA because, like I said, it is a major player. But if you want stability or low risk, man, this stock may not be the best fit. You may want to look to an ETF rather than the individual stock. But when it comes to that growth potential, like I said, it can skyrocket up, it can skyrocket down. But if you believe in a stock like NVIDIA for the long term, those are some chances that you may take. So here's the bottom line, right? NVIDIA is one of the strongest companies in the market right now, but it's also one of the most watched and possibly one of the most expensive, right? So it's not cheap. It's not cheap at all. But that means opportunity, and risk. So that's just one of the things you're going to get with NVIDIA. So if you want more breakdowns like this, stocks, ETF, passive income strategies, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments, are you buying NVIDIA or waiting for a pullback? Like I said, it's pulled back a little after earnings, but that may be a good thing or it may fall some more, but we'll see. So let me know in the comments how you feel. I appreciate you guys tuning in. On the way out, hit that like button, that share, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will talk to you later.